we are in Nagoya City, and to be honest, we don't know what this vlog is going to be about. We have little to no plan, but there's a cool festival going on and some other stuff, so we'll definitely try to hit those. Oh my gosh, she looks so radiant right now. Like, no, seriously, baby, you look so sexy today. Yeah. I don't know, it's a crop top, cute pants, and then look at this with white sneakers. Ah! She's fire! She's fire! Alright guys, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I definitely hope you guys enjoyed the last vlog. We definitely enjoyed our time. We didn't do a good job like vlogging and talking to you guys, but
hope you feel like you went with us, you know?
Yeah, I hope you definitely feel like you were in Japan.
Yeah.
Alright, so see you in a bit.
We just found the Pokemon Center. I didn't know it's here. Pikachu!
Pikachu.
Pika Pika!
Pika. Pikachu.
Oh, can you name all of those?
To be honest, because these three starter Pokemon, I don't remember their names.
Pochama. Okay, we just had to come out from Pokemon Center because this guy is he just ran away and then tried to take escalator by himself. He just like all the here you go again. Here you go again. He's just such a grumpy to sit down on the stroller, or he just like too happy to walk around and go everywhere he wants. So we are quite having a hard time with him. That's so honest with us. We are having such a good time, but at the same time we are really having a hard time.
Whoa. What's the pig for though?
Because pork cutlet.
Oh. Gee. Oh, this is where you want to go?
Yeah.
Let's go. This is the signature food for Nagoya, yeah? Alright, so yeah, what is it called, Bubu? Miso katsu. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna try some miso katsu. Say it right?
Yes.
Oh, guys, my Japanese, it's so good. Alright, yeah, so this is the signature food for Nagoya, and I'm dying to taste it, cause yo, look at this. Yeah.
I'm just so hungry.
Okay, so I just wanna show you, I haven't said it, but since I came here, every restaurant we go to, the first thing they give you to drink is actually tea. So Japanese, they love tea. Yeah, so Japanese, they love tea. So instead of getting water, you get tea. So my advice is, when you go to a restaurant, always just say omizu instead of tea, because naturally you're just gonna get tea first. I'm not a tea person, and it's always like cold tea. It's not like iced tea with sugar, so it's just tea. So, but there are different types of tea. This one is green tea. Arigato. This one's green tea. So it depends where you go, you get the type of tea that's very common, right? Because we got different teas when we were in Osaka. Oh, I can't get used to drinking cold tea. I can't get used to it. Oh, it doesn't taste bad or anything, but it's cold, yo. You know, I'm Jamaican. We drink tea to warm our stomach. You know, like to burst gas bubble, or you drink it in the morning like coffee or something. But here it's literally more than water. Even in the stores, in the supermarket, there is more bottles of tea than bottles of water. Like, believe me. I didn't want to say anything, but every time I go there to buy juice, I'm like so many tea.
Here it comes. Still. Hi, hi, hi. どうぞ。Here comes miso.
お味噌かけますね。お味噌せん。お味噌せん。
ありがとう。
こちらもお味噌かけます
あ
ね。
りがとうございます。
おいすみません。
Oh,
お味噌お願いします。
ありがとうございます。
that was so cool. Baby. I'm ready, I'm ready, I'm ready.
You ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Yeah. So right here, I've got my miso soup. This is so cool. Look at this. Like, this is such a cool gourd. And then we've got everything I never knew what's inside, but I still eat them. I never really think about it. We got our gohan, that's rice, a miso katsu. What you got over there, Mama?
Same, but a different part.
But different. Oh. Minato, what you got?
He got none.
You got none. You got yogurt.
I'm gonna eat some of mine.
Alright, guys, baby.
Let's eat. いただきます。
Ready?
Ready? よし。1, 2, 3.
Say cheese! Ask if I'm okay.
Are you okay?
I can't stop falling in love with you. You don't like it?
It's cute.
Baby! 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 Did you get it? Did you get it?
Yeah.
You see me fall in love with you?
Cute. Lilies. Oh, it's beautiful. Yeah. It's not too high, baby. Yeah. Look, it's a light. The good things he didn't go to the water. Maybe he hasn't realized it.
No, that's why I'm walking this side.
Whee! Ooh, it's raining. Ouch!
Flip?
No, he did it on purpose. Mina, it's raining! Oh no! 冷たい！冷たい！冷たい！逃げて！Oh my gosh, it's lightning! Baby!
Huh?
So cold!
What happened?
It's raining!
Yeah.
He's enjoying rain a lot. Baby's waiting food for me. But can you look at it? Alright, we are at some place. Minata is still sleeping. I have to find something to eat for him. Hey, what's up? Today is Nagoya day 3. No,
Yeah.
day 2. Day 3.
Well, we're just here for like just the weekend,
Yeah,
so it's last day practically. Leaving tomorrow morning.
So we came here. We're here. It's a Nagoya aquarium today. Aquarium, right?
Aquarium, yeah.
So this is a pretty big aquarium in Japan, and I am not big fan of the aquarium
Why is that?
or zoo.
Why is
or-
that?
Because all the fish and the animals are in the cage. That really bothers me. Like always.
Aww.
Sometimes hurt my feelings. So I'm not big fan of the aquarium either. Zoo.
What about so we're not gonna look at the dolphins or the killer whales. Do jumpy later.
I'm not really one.
Don't worry, baby. I won't
want.
stress you.
But we came here for the
Minato.
Yeah, Minato hasn't really enjoyed because we just walk around, go shopping, and then he didn't really have space to walk around, look around. So I think we thought it's a good for Minato. Also, he likes it.
Yeah. We'll just take you guys around, and we hope you like it as much as I do. Also, definitely, if you're new to the channel, do hit that subscribe button. And I know we've been so busy, but trust me, we got a lot coming for you guys. And see you soon.
What's that? Water.
What did he say?
Water.
He didn't say water, baby. Titty.
Look, see, that's water. See, that's water. There's a dolphin.
Yeah. Wow, why doesn't his fin stand up?
He's sad.
How do you know?
He wants to go back to ocean.
Baby, don't kill my vibe, bro.
Minato is definitely into this.
Ooh. Wow. Oh my god. This is a nice photo.
He's so enjoying.
Alright, so can I have your honest opinion? What do you think so far? Has it been fun at least?
It's okay.
It's okay.
Yeah. Mina? Penguin!
やばいね。
Mina, it's a penguin! Mina, what are those? Mina? Mina, what are those? Penguin! Penguin!
I can't with him. So tired.
Yeah, I'm just hoping he's gonna sleep soon.
Oh, me too. I'm tired. Look at my eyes.
Look at my eyes.
So much water.
My eyes, some reason, is so swollen. Like right side.
Mine's full of water. They're so tired.
Yeah, we are so tired.
Mineta takes up a lot of
Yeah.
energy.
Let's
Why
tomorrow,
is he
let's-
not tired?
Yeah.
That's my. I don't
He took a
understand.
nap. He took a nap.
Oh my god, he's like a full battery right now.
Okay. Miku. So it's around 9:30. We came here for the fireworks day. So it's so many people around here, and I hope this spot is really nice spot to see the fireworks. So I'm gonna show you around. Guys, look at those people. Oh my gosh. There's so many people. 15 minutes to fireworks. I'm gonna vlog how it looks like. HD is far away from us. Right there. Right there. Can't you see? Yeah, he took the only one spot that he can sit down, and he left us on the ground. How nice! All right, let me see.